Guys, what's up? It's Michelle and I am back with another video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I turned this old vintage set into something super cute. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the skirt first. So this skirt actually did not fit me too bad. It was somewhat of a good fit, but it was just super long and super dated, so I decided to go ahead and switch it up by just cutting it to a length that I felt was desirable, and I'm going to go ahead and leave that other piece and set that to the side. So for the skirt, I'm just going to go ahead and turn it inside out so it's easier for me to take it straight to the sewing machine and sew. I'm going to go ahead and do a rolled hem on the bottom edge of the skirt just so it has a nice clean finish. Alright, now that I have my skirt all nice and hemmed, I'm going to take the bottom section that we cut off and set to the side. I'm going to take that and use that material to help me make a matching bucket hat. So for the bucket hat, you're going to need 3 different cutouts or patterns, and I'll be sure to have that link down below for you guys. So you're going to need the brim piece, the band piece, and also the head piece. So you're going to cut 2 of each piece. So you're going to cut 2 of the brim pieces out of your main fabric, 2 of the brim pieces out of your lining fabric, 2 of the band pieces out of your main fabric and out of your lining fabric, and 2 of the hat pieces out of your lining and your main fabric. And you want to make sure that you do the brim and the band pieces. You want to make sure you cut that on a fold. If you can't cut it on a fold, it's absolutely okay. You can always just sew the seam. But if you can cut it on a fold, it looks a lot better. So I'll be sure to upload a more detailed tutorial on how to actually make the bucket hat. But for time's sake of this video, I don't want the video to be super long, so I'm going to keep sewing and just kind of showing you guys how I did it, but I'm not going to really explain in this video. I'll explain in another video. So after sewing the bucket hat, I just went ahead and sewed the hem of my skirt, and this pretty much completed the look. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content from me, and be sure to keep out for my next few videos. I will be uploading a video with a more detailed tutorial on how to actually make a bucket hat, if that's something that you're interested in, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!